Hello everybody, I'm about to take you through the brand new Shasta Phoenix 254 RLS. If you're looking for something half-ton towable that can fit in any state park, stay tuned. This one's going to be good. Hey everybody, Tony. You're obviously shopping for an RV. If you have any questions or need advice, personally call or text me at the number below. I'd love to be part of your journey regardless of where you're shopping. Let's get back at it. Hello everybody, Tony at the Referral Auto Group. Today I'm taking you through a 2025 Shasta Phoenix 254 RLS. It's a brand new floor plan in the Shasta Phoenix lineup. If you're looking for something half-ton towable that'll fit in any state parks, you probably found it, so don't look any further. I'm going to cover specs and features during this video that I can, but this is the first one I've ever done on this model, so definitely verify and come check this out because I'm probably going to miss some. I may even misquote some, but I doubt it. All right, so let's jump right into some of the specs. We're 30 foot 9 inches in overall length, weighs 7,710 pounds unloaded as it sits and equipped here with a GVW of 9,800 pounds. We haul 40 gallons of fresh water, 33 gallons of gray, and 33 gallons of black. Comfortable sleeping for up to 4 people. Now, no notes, no reciting that. Right off the cuff, so definitely look at the website and verify all that, but let's start with some of the features that I can do. Here we have a front molded fiberglass cap with 2 LED light strips down each side. Coming down to a front storage compartment. To the right of that is the switch for your front power jacks. Smooth fiberglass exterior with a welded aluminum framing and a 2-pound closed cell foam block insulation in your vacuum bonded wall. There's Azdel in these sidewalls. If you don't know what Azdel is, definitely check it out. It's a huge upgrade. Not all manufacturers use it, so make sure you know what you're buying. It's a huge upgrade in the construction. Up on the roof, we have our 2 factory installed air conditioners that are central inducted, bolt on the thermostats. We have our off-air high definition antenna that gives us about 66 channels of crystal clear TV in there, and the TV is operating on it. Right now, when we go in, and you'll see, we have a large solar panel to keep your battery charged while you're in an off-grid situation. We have a tankless water heater, full pass-through storage. Check out the pictures. I have that fully opened up. There's your exterior shower, 50 amp service going into this to power up those 2 air conditioning units. We have 15-inch wheels and tires with our Road Armor suspension between it with heavy-duty shackle straps and Zerk fittings to grease the wet bolts with brass bushings. So I'm going to show you it. There is a picture on the website, but I'm going to show you when I can get it with no slide out hanging over it. As we walk around, we have triple observation camera prep. So you can put 3 cameras on this, one on each side and on the back, and they're observation cameras. Anytime you turn on your marker lights, you've got a view of whatever you're trying to see. Here's your rear power jacks, so no cranking, and they will come down on uneven ground and wait for each of them to contact the ground before they start pushing, regardless of the slope. There's your rear observation camera mount, right above your 2-inch receiver. So if you have bikes or any extra luggage, firewood, you can definitely put a rack on there and turn on your marker lights, and you can watch it all fall off if you want to. Just kidding. You're probably better at packing it than me, but I have no luck putting anything on the back of my RV. There's a ladder going on to your fully walkable roof. LCI solid steps going up into this unit with a big 13-inch top step. Your awning extends out 8 feet, and this is an extra long awning because there is no slide out to protrude into your camping area. There's an LED light strip up against the side of the coach, so you do not have to have this awning out to fully utilize that light. It can be rolled up when it's windy, and you get plenty of light still. There's your JBL exterior speaker. There's a good look at your wheels. Let's get down here and look at the suspension system. Definitely overbuilt. Look at the thickness of those shackle straps. Make sure you know what you're buying. This has a heated and enclosed underbelly done in 4x8 sections with heated tanks to keep those tanks from freezing in very cold weather. The 4x8 sections is nice because my service team doesn't always have to cut holes. If we need to service it, we can probably drop down a panel and keep from doing that. We're back around to the front. So let's go inside. This thing is loaded with features. Remember, only 7,710 pounds unloaded with a GVW of 9,800 pounds, which makes this half-ton towable. It's got the Weather Shield insulation package. There's your Azdel sticker. Look for that sticker in anything you're buying, especially in a fiberglass trailer, just because of the delamination factor, and it's more insulation. It's noise deadening. It's puncture resistant, mold and mildew proof. It's just a huge, huge upgrade. Okay. We're coming in. We got residential style flooring, sleeper sofa. It's a trifold sofa, the most comfortable kind that you can get. We have roller shades on all the windows. I'm going to show you up in the bedroom. I have one half pulled. There's your booth that also breaks down into a bed. So we actually have comfortable sleeping for up to 6 people. Now that I see the booth, typically it's a freestanding dinette. You also have a plug over there at the booth. Pay attention when you're walking through other competitors. A lot of times they will not put plugs at your table. And if you have a laptop or something, it makes it very inconvenient. There's your sound bar that controls your indoor and outdoor music and has a display. It's actually an AM/FM stereo. A lot of them skip that now. There's your TV working off that high definition off-air antenna. It's got a little bit of a glare, but it is a crystal clear picture. As I spin, we got lots of cabinets, one-piece countertops, one large stainless steel single well sink, 3-burner stove, stainless steel oven, 12-volt, 10 cubic foot refrigerator. It's 10.2 cubic feet. There's your stainless steel microwave right above. We have kind of a hall tree here. You can hang your coats and a little shelf and a shoe cubby. All your controls, there's your heated tanks for your freshwater and waste tanks. Also check all of your tank levels and put out your awning, turn on lights, fire up that water heater. All right, as we walk upstairs, we're going to go up 2 steps. We're going to pop in the bathroom. Notice the pocket door. No door to pin you against the wall or try and dance around it if you're coming up the stairs. Just things you want to kind of look at. Glass doors on the shower, porcelain toilet, residential height sink, and there's your medicine cabinet. Walking into the bedroom, we have a full walk around 60 by 80 residential queen bed. Lots of room around it. Windows on each side. I have this blind pulled halfway down so you can actually see it blacks it out. There's your cabinets all the way up and over. We have USBs and 110 plugs at each side of the bed. As I walk down the side of the bed, I'm going to spin. You're going to see your little built-in dresser over there, and that door closes it off. Second air conditioner right there with your second thermostat. It is not a dump unit, no knobs on the ceiling. You have a location for a TV over there if you choose to have one, and a nice solid door to close off the bedroom. All right, let's go back down here. We'll kind of do a lay of the land a little bit. I'm going to pan around. What an awesome trailer. And at the price point, check out the price point. And Phoenix is the first brand new line I ever brought in back in 2017. I've owned 2 personally myself, and I stand behind them 110% because they stand behind their product 110%. All right, let's go back outside and recap what we just saw. All right, everybody, this is our 2025 Shasta Phoenix 254 RLS. We're 7,710 pounds unloaded with a GVW of 9,800 pounds. We're 30 foot 9 inches in overall length. That's incredible. You can go anywhere you pretty much want to go. We haul 40 gallons of fresh water, 33 gallons of gray, 33 gallons of black. Again, no notes, so check those on the website. We have a tankless water heater, comfortable sleeping for up to 6 people. I said 4 out here before. I corrected myself inside. Now I just said it right here. We have a lot of features. 2 ACs, power jacks all the way around, your road armor suspension, solar up on the roof, large refrigerator that is a 12 volt. See, there's no vents cut to the outside, and it works just like your residential, so no more absorption refrigerator and the ambient temperature dictating its performance. You have a heated and enclosed underbelly in 4x8 sections. So come on out and check it out. 209-404-2200. Check us out on the web at www.referralautogroup.com. As always, we are not strong-arm salespeople. We're not going to hustle and hassle you till you buy. We're going to educate you and leave that buying decision completely up to you. Find it hard to believe? Come on out and check it out. Let me know if you feel anything different. My name's Tony. I'm the owner. If you've been out, then you know that's true. We have a huge selection. I'm in our middle display area here. We're the home of the lifetime nationwide warranty on all eligible RVs, and this one is on all covered components. We're a full-service facility. We have a service center that caters to all our clients' warranty, repair, and upgrade needs. We also outfit that tow vehicle to tow any of these safely down the road. We have on-site financing with all major banks or credit unions, parts and supplies. So come on out and check us out. 209-404-2200 or www.referralautogroup.com. As always, thanks for watching. We truly appreciate you and look forward to meeting you. Take care.